Hi there everyone, welcome to Shisha Creative. Wondering where I'm off to, right? You know me, I'm off to collecting pebbles and I'm off to collecting moss and the same nature, but this time what is going to be different is I'm going to use a tiny container for the terrarium. So I'm going to make a tiny terrarium and I'm going to collect all the stones, the coal needed also. So we had a very nice bonfire last night and so I'm going to collect the coal from here itself. So it is all coffee wood and yeah, we did burst some crackers because it was Diwali time that I went. But I'm guessing that should work because I'm going to collect only the coal of the wood. And next I've packed everything and the drive this time is going to be really great because the weather is awesome and it's been raining the whole time. So we're going to enjoy the drive back to Chennai and the terrarium is going to be done there. Okay, so now I've sorted out all the household things that need to be sorted out after a travel. And we are ready to do the tiny terrarium. So I've sorted out the moss, the stones and whatever that I need for making it. And this is the container that I'm going to use for the terrarium. So first let's place the stones inside. It's going to be a very tiny one. So just the basic of stones and some coal will be enough, and then I'm going to use a net to cover the stones so that the mud does not go inside. We always need space in the bottom of the terrarium so that the water is draining out, and even if there is excess water it will drain out and be collected there. And after that we are going to add some cocoa peat. After adding the cocoa peat, we are going to press it towards one corner of the glass so that the plants are seen on one side, which is going to be showcased. And the plants that I have used in this terrarium are star moss, the sheet moss, and Fittonia plants. Fittonia green as well as with pink veins. So Fittonia I could not get in my place over there, so I came back to Chennai and I got it from the nursery nearby. These are lovely plants for terrariums, and for the tiniest terrarium I thought a Fittonia would go best, so I chose Fittonia. Patience is the key to good work, so everything was done patiently. I took around 3 hours to do this. It looks very easy and it is easy, but yeah, you need to be patient because the plants should set in well. And the core important thing to remember while making these tiny terrariums is to be really careful so that we don't damage the other plants that are already set inside the terrarium. So it's always okay to take a few minutes, even if it is going to take time, it's still okay. And the best thing about winter season is all the plants will always look green and they always talk to you a lot. They're happy. Keeping them alive during summers in a very, very hot place is a challenge, but I hope I do it this time. So I'm going to update you during February or March about how this terrarium is during that time. So this is a Fittonia also. It has got pink veins in it and it looks lovely. And then some decoration. And after this, to decorate it inside the house, I got a tiny chair also for that. So y'all are going to see that as well. I added some stones just to give it a decor look. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos of Shisha Creative. Subscribe to join our fam. Bye bye.